had my master's in international studies at the CSSP, Social Science and Philosophy, and then I'm in my dissertation stage here at NCPA. I'm now a lecturer here in NCPA, and I was formerly teaching and was a senior faculty researcher at the Lyceum Philippines. Okay, so I went through different kinds of jobs. So I've been to the public sector. So I worked at the Commission on Women and then Commission for Culture and the Arts. So that's the two government agencies I worked in. And then I went to the private sector and then the academia. So I had all of those different types of employers. I was third year when I applied as a member in APC. I've been to different courses already. First year I was at different colleges also. Okay, so first year I was in UPC Cebu. I had business management as a course. Then I transferred second year here in UP Diliman, and the course was PSHRA in the College of Home Economics. And then I didn't find it challenging, so I shifted to economics in my third year. Okay, so I was looking for, because I was always transferring, so I actually didn't have any roots in those colleges. So I said, I'm third year, I had to finish this because I will be graduating. So I need to put down roots. Okay, so there were some friends I had, some classmates who said, let's go, this organization. And then I thought of these words, what we call, ano siya, no nonsense. So sensible, medyo relevant siya. So meron siyang relevance. Kasi nga, yung ano pa lang, i-touch yung kanyang, yung pangalan. Economics towards consciousness. Paano mawala ng consciousness yung mga tao? Ba't kailangan ng court na gano'n, di ba? Parang, anong ibig sabihin nun? Kailangan buhayin ng consciousness. Bakit wala pang mga gano'n yung mga tao? Sa EPC, I'm more of a person na who think, parang gano'n. So yun ang tingin ko sa EPC, yung EPC. Kasi yung consciousness, di ba? So parang yun ang touch sa, hindi siya, down to earth siya. So, yun, yung arte, simple. So, masaya kasi marami kami applicant. Siguro mga 90, gano'n yung time namin. Na-remember ko lang kami merong, parang 2 sems kami na film showing. So the first one, yung Crocodile Nandi, so meron busy kami noon, gawa kami ng mga posters, so nakalagay doon sa parang the Croc Rocks. So di ba Crocodile Nandi? So yun yung parang project ng batch na magkakaroon ng film showing. And then meron yung isa, yung Less Than Zero. So isang So yung mga batchmates, kami na paano mapopromote yung film, paano ma-ibigay yung mga tickets, paano kami yung mga field trip, yung mga immersion. So meron kami gano'n. So meron kami pumuntahan na sa Bulacan, agricultural farming community. Pumunta kami doon kasi panahon pa rin yun ng yung issue na kinakamutan yung lupa, yung farmers hirap, so yung mas medyo radical pa nga yung yung kausap namin leaning on uh, leaning on the socialist side yung ano nila, orientation nila. So, ayun, so punta kami doon. And interact sa mga farmers. So, yun, yung isang naalala ko. Kasi nung first year, second year ako, wala naman ako talagang friends. Dun sa, kasi nga, di ba palipat-lipat ako ng course. And then, nung high school din din, I only have 2 or 3 friends. So, I keep them, yung close friends. All the friends ko hindi iba. So, dito, dumami yung kakilala ko. Diba? And then, ano pa, yun mas friendly ako. And sana you stay relevant. Kasi kung hindi, parang you're just like the other course, no? What's your difference with the other course? So you stay relevant, keep up with the times, and yung mga activities, sana mas relevant pa rin. And so yung activities try to explain what's happening in our economy, in our country, and para at least di ba kaya ka siya towards consciousness. So yun talaga yung so help the members and the other students understand our economy, our country, and how do we do our part in making the country good, great, best,